Hi, how you doing? What brings you in today?
I need a new phone.
You need a new phone?
Yep.
What's been going on with your phone?
The battery doesn't last and my screen will freeze and I just need a new one.
Okay. So what are some of the things that you like to do with your phone?
I like to text and be on social media and I think that's it, and play games.
Okay. What is your ideal phone? What would you like it to be able to do?
Not die within 3 hours of using it and freeze?
Okay. All right, great. And is it just you today who's wanting the phone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. So I actually have the perfect phone for you. This phone is called the iPhone XR. It's one of the brand new iPhones. Have you heard of it yet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this phone actually is more resistant to cracks in the screen because I remember you telling me that you drop your phone a lot. And so the phones nowadays, especially this one, is really prone. It's really strong and less prone to breaking when you drop it. It also has a very nice camera. It has shatter-resistant screen. The battery life is amazing. This one is mine, and I've been using it all day, and I'm still at 96% by noonday, so that's really good. And when you push all the buttons, they all work the first time. How does that sound to you?
That sounds perfect.
So this phone, with all the features that it has, especially the really cool facial recognition, how much do you think it would cost?
Like a month or the whole phone altogether?
The whole phone altogether.
Like 1,000.
So believe it or not, this phone is only $750 and only costs $30 a month in your monthly plan. So if you just sign right here, we'll get you a new iPhone XR. Okay, perfect. Thanks.
You're welcome.